Greetings from Kuta, Batangas City! Happy birthday, Lolo! Tay, as you celebrate your birthday today, wish namin na maging long pa ang buhay mo, maging healthy ka pa. I know na nakahiga ka lang, but don't worry, kasama mo pa rin kami kahit nasa abroad ako. Lagi ka namin nakikita sa CCTV. And yeah, we always miss you. And don't worry, kahit hindi mo kami lagi kasama, mahal na mahal ka namin. And basta gusto ko lagi, pag uwi ko sa Mindoro, healthy ka pa. And yan, makasama ka pa namin ng matagal. And we love you. So, nandito yung family ko, si Erica, si Drew, si Casey, si Trike, tsaka si Janet. And sana magtagal pa ang buhay mo, makasama ka pa namin, and yun, mahal na mahal ka namin. Again, we greet you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.